Hello everyone, Kurt from RiskRevu here, and today I'm excited to talk to you about a brand new form on the RiskRevu platform. It's called the Construction Renovation Insurance Expanded Form. And so this form does two things. Number one, it helps agents gather information from clients or prospects about a new construction project or a major renovation to their existing home. And the second thing it does is it takes that information and it converts it or ports it over to a specific carrier supplemental form that's needed as part of the process of underwriting these big projects. So let me show you what it looks like. So this is what the RiskRevu platform looks like on the dashboard. So I'm going to go to the Forms page. I'm going to go to Share Forms. And I'm going to type in renovation to search for the specific form I'm looking for. And I'm going to find this one, Construction Renovation Insurance Expanded Form. And I'm just going to click on this hyperlink. And this is going to bring us directly to the form and the page that the client or prospect is going to see when they fill out the form. And so at the top of the form, you can see it's just basic information, contact information, email, phone, so on and so forth. And then there's this form options section. And this is where either the agent or the client can select the specific carrier that they are looking to obtain terms from. And obviously this is a very short list at this time, and we'll be adding additional carriers to this list as we go forward. But you just select the carrier that you want to have a supplemental form populated for, and you move on. And then basic questions, primary address. Is this the address where the construction renovation will take place? If yes, no additional questions. If no, down in the form, it asks what the address where the construction will take place. Do you have insurance for this property? What's the name of the insurance company? Is this new construction or renovation? If you say new construction, it asks what structures. If it's a renovation, it asks what year the home was built, what the address is, where it's going to take place, and what you're going to be renovating in the home. It asks about the current replacement cost, total estimated cost of the renovation, the estimated completed value, if the client's going to occupy the residence during the renovation, if any personal property will be located there, if any structure will be demolished, and then a general description of the construction or renovation project. There's a section for optional coverages such as soft costs or materials in transit. There's a section for the project schedule. It asks things like, has the construction started? If they say yes, it asks about the percentage completed, why coverage is being requested at this time, and has any coverage, has there been any coverage up to this point? If they say no, it has not started, it's a different set of questions. When's it going to begin? When's it going to be completed? Does the insured intend to occupy the residence upon completion? There's an interested parties section, which if this is new construction and the property hasn't been purchased already, it would ask about the mortgage. Here, it asks about the trust or LLC, if there is a legal entity. There is a risk management section as well. However, let's back up. There is a general contractor section. So if they selected a general contractor, they can put that information into the form as well. And then lastly is the section on risk management and what type of risk management they'll have during the renovation or the construction. The insured can sign the form and then they can submit. Now I'm going to jump over to an already completed form, and this is all fake data, so none of it's real. And all the checkboxes for the different carriers are selected, so we can show you what that looks like. And so they finish the form, they get all the way to the bottom, they sign it, they click submit, and once they do, an email notification is going to be sent to their inbox. And let me show you what that looks like. There's the email, and here is what that looks like. You have a new RiskRevu response. You can either view the response in your RiskRevu platform, or you can see that each one of the supplemental applications that was asked to be generated as part of this form are now attached to the email for the agent to use with the respective carrier. And as I said, this is going to be a form that's under ongoing development, and we'll add additional carriers as we move forward. So that is the Construction Renovation Insurance Expanded Form. I hope this information was helpful to you. And if you are already a RiskRevu client, you are able to use this form as of today. So just go to your My Account button, click Edit Profile, click Save Profile, and then the form will be available in your forms library. It's as simple as that. So thank you for taking a look at this video, and have a great day.